Third thing which he told me is like, if you have to succeed in life, if you have to earn something valuable, not in terms of money but in terms of experience, it will always come outside your comfort zone. Okay. And I know why he told me that. He has.
So being in a family where entrepreneurship is already there, as he's, and I'm going to take this by the way with me, that if you're not making money for your client or you're not giving them that value, you're not doing the right thing. So how was it for you? Like, because when you're born in an environment of entrepreneurship, the conversation is different at home.
Absolutely.
So before you went to Deloitte, something that you can share that you used to come to your dad's to, like,
So I'll
spend
share
time
you
or
a story. The field in which my father is, it's a very lucrative field. So when I was in my college, I used to like going to the office, going to my father's office,
yeah.
learning a couple of things, how things work, कैसा trade करते हैं, क्या करते हैं, सारी चीजें सीखना बहुत अच्छा लगता था. One fine day, my father asked me to come in his cabin. I went over there and he said, first thing you're doing is getting a good degree. Second thing you're doing is not coming to my office. I want you to go learn outside.
Correct.
Right? Third thing which he told me is like, if you have to succeed in life, if you have to earn something valuable, not in terms of money but in terms of experience, it will always come outside your comfort zone. Okay. And I know why he told me that. He has created whatever he has created up until now by extreme hard work. He came from a very small town called as Alandi, which is about 25 odd kilometers from Pune.
Yes.
For 17 years, he has done a up down into that local bus and created what we are here today. I often tell that we are at a pedestal. I and my brother are at a pedestal, and it was easy for us to venture out into entrepreneurship because we know that एक अच्छा खासा backing है घर पे. And that backing has come because of we have been observing our father, what kind of efforts he has taken. And the one thing which not only me, all his 400 500 odd clients say about him is they can trust my father blindly.
Yes.
That's the kind of reputation he has had.
Absolutely.
And that is what I've carried with me even today.
Correct.
So what matters more is that your client in the end should be more successful and he should be at peace. If I'm trusting this person, I don't have to look for anything else apart from that.